So, good morning po, Sir Dondon. I am Joshua Ray Abiam, and my co-member is Robert Andre Nasino. Uh, for the first question is, what was the most challenging part of the project? The most challenging part of developing a region ride using Flutter and Firebase was integrating some features like the location tracking, user roles, and the updates while maintaining performance and a smooth user experience. And handling background locations, services, data across devices, with Firebase added complexity, building a responsive UI and securing user data. And a emulation and also made development more difficult. Uh, can you briefly discuss Android development and your experience with it? My experience with the Android development in creating application for devices is the code for Java and the tools of Android Studio, which is the emulator, and includes designing user interfaces, a data storage in Firebase. And in terms of experience, I work with Android development through native like a Java and Kotlin, and across platform, which is the Flutter. Uh, the most rewarding part of is the optimizing part for performance and creating smooth and responsive user experience.
I am Robert Andre Onasino, and for Documenter, the question is, what makes your app unique compared to other similar applications? So, our one of the unique features of Region Ride is the ability to book a vehicle based on your specific capacity needs. Whether you're traveling alone, with family, or in a large group, the app gives you the flexibility to choose the right vehicle and a motorcycle, car, van, or even a minibus. This ensures a more convenient, comfortable, and personalized ride experience for every user. So, for designer, the question is, does your app designs meets user needs? If yes, please explain how it addresses those needs. So to answer that, we can say yes. The design of our app Region Ride is specifically created to meet the needs of our users. We focus on a clean, user-friendly interface that easy to navigate, even for first-time users. The booking process is quick and straightforward, and users can easily select the vehicle type based on their group size or cargo needs. All of these features are designed based on user feedback in real world commuting challenges to provide a smooth and reliable transport experience.
So we go for the our development, our or what we call the UI and the process in our application, which is the region, right? So this is the flash screen of our application. This is the onboarding of our application.
So this is our login To log in, you may continue to Google and you can proceed to the homepage on our application. So, you can see, pwede kang mag-book dito ng motorcycle, pwede ka din magpa-deliver, pwedeng car, pwedeng pick up, pwedeng super taxi, pwedeng bus, and iba pa.
Kuya, click mo nga yung ano, yung isa dun sa may dashboard. So this is the pickup location. Choose ka po ng isang location. And the drop off location. And if day next, it appears that yung mga pinick up nyo pong mga pick up and the drop off, where is you can go. So this is the summary uh of our ebook. So just click the book now, sir, or Sir Robert. And this is the continuation of our application. If we type for the email, which is the, for example, Robert Nasino dot gmail.com, and for the password is Robert 1234. So we need to log in.
So a while ago, yun na po natin yung for login. For this one naman po, it is the sign up. We type Robert Nasino, that gmail.com po. And for the password, we type Robert Nasino. Ito po yung kanina pong tinype. Doon sa login po. May nauna lang po kanina. So, for the sign up, doon na po siya. Magda-direct na po siya sa magda-direct na po siya sa may dashboard.
So this is uh, the authentication, which is before we connect this, kaya nandito na po yung mga identifiers ng mga Gmail pa, like this. So this is it of our application. Thank you. Bye-bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.